Max and Toucan and the Rainbow Kingdom. Season 3, Episode 4, The Wand. "What is this thing?" said Max as he and his friend looked at it. "Looks like a wand," said Toucan. "It is a wand," said Max. The moment he said this, Toucan went around on the tree. He had to see if there was something about it. "Hey, Max," he said, "look what I found." He had 3 balls, 1 red, 1 blue, and 1 yellow. Toucan said, "Go on your back." "Okay," said Max, "I'll put them on," said Max. Toucan placed the yellow on top with the blue and red on the bottom left and right. They fit perfectly. "They fit perfect," said Max. "Now I'll take them off." "I'll take them off," said Toucan. "Oh, when Toucan pulled and pulled, they wouldn't come off. "Why won't it come off?" said Max unhappily. "I don't know," said Toucan. Suddenly, cast! The wand shot a blue line to the ground. They were shocked. "Pop!" A green bowl of Chex Mix appeared and landed on the ground. "Well, we can't get them off," said Max, "but we have a snack." "Hurrah!" said Toucan. Then, cast! A cave suddenly appeared and landed on the ground. "Papa!" Max and Toucan entered the cave to see what was inside. End of episode 4.